Hey, what's up, everyone? Listen, my name is Lord Lee, and I am doing a clean with me for the very first time. This channel is going to be dedicated to me and my boys and just our walk through life and what we do as a household with a bunch of men. And what's really exciting about this is that this is our first rodeo doing something like this, and I'm really excited. So stay tuned for this clean with me. Enjoy it. It's gonna take you through the kitchen and clean. I think I even cleaned the refrigerator at one point and a little bit of our foyer area that needs a lot of work. And so I'm gonna be asking you to help us out along the way as we kind of get that area together. But as for now, I really want you to take out some time and enjoy this clean with me. So what's up, guys? As you can see, this is everything that's on the counter that I'm getting ready to get started. So let's get started with it. So first off, let me just say this is my very first time doing this. I'm kind of just trying to show a little bit of everything I do, father style. So I really kind of just clear out the sink with the dishes. There's tons and tons and tons of dishes, and so I kind of clear that out. And then my boy AJ, who's 6 years old, y'all say hello to my boy in the chat, but he helps me by putting the forks and spoons in the drawer. That's kind of what he does as a chore around the house. So you'll see him again. There's a couple of things that he loves helping out with doing. And so right now I'm just kind of scrubbing all of my dishes. I'm gonna put all of this in the dishwasher. So I know some of you may say, like, what are you doing? Why are you cleaning all the dishes? But I just don't trust the dishwasher like that. So therefore, I like to really kind of scrub and rinse everything off myself and let the dishwasher really do some of the more sanitizing things, which I use dishwasher liquid and I also use sanitizer. So that's kind of what I use my dishwasher for. But like I said, as you can see, I'm just gonna kind of really get these dishes clean. There's tons and tons of mess. Y'all, I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cleaning. I'm a dad who loves being a dad and loves raising my boys. And so, yeah, you're gonna see that my kitchen is pretty filthy right now because I cooked a really, really great meal. My oldest son came home from school after having an amazing year, and we wanted to just cook some good food for him and welcome him back home. So that's what you can see here. So coming back in, and I'm gonna put some spray and some cleaner on the counters and really just get ready to kind of clean those countertops off. Yeah, so this is my routine. I always start, whenever I'm cleaning the entire house, I always start in the kitchen. It's really the hub of our space, and so of our home. And so, yeah, I start in the kitchen, scrub all the counters, and get the dishes in the dishwasher, load that up, and we kind of go from there. So I don't know if you can see, but my son is coming in. He's gonna actually kind of help. Again, we've kind of got a system here. So while I'm going to kind of clean off the stove and stuff, my son is actually behind me somewhere preparing to sweep the floor. So yeah, as you can see, I've switched towels. You're gonna see me switch towels a few times, and the reason is because I still don't really have a system for cleaning my stove. I'd love to kind of get some recommendations from you all in the comments. What are you using? What kind of towels do you use to clean your stove? And then as well as what are you spraying with? I really kind of create my own spray. So you may even see a couple of sprays here that don't necessarily look like anything that you would use on a countertop or anything, but just know I've kind of mixed some things up, created concoctions, so to speak. So as you see, my boy Aaron is sweeping the floor. That's my oldest son, y'all, and he's a huge help. So good to have him home from school, just taking out the trash, mopping the floor, getting that kitchen done. And yeah, he really does. I'm terrible at sweeping, so that's kind of his thing. Oh, there's also Hampton. So as you all can see, you're going to see more of Hampton too as we kind of get these clean with me videos done. Hampton is actually really smart. He doesn't walk on our floors when it's mopped. But as you can see, until you mop it, he's there. So my son just recently came home from college, and I just recently came home from a trip to Dallas, Texas. And so we had some luggage still in the living room. Yeah, our house was just not clean at all. We try to keep a pretty clean house for the most part. We enjoy a clean home, but it just wasn't clean. And so we took out some time to, as you can see, Aaron's getting pillows done. And then I and AJ are kind of putting things away. So we've been lounging around for quite a few days at this point. And so, yeah, we decided to get that living room straightened up. And believe it or not, after moments like this, we don't do anything but just get back on the couch, enjoy good TV as a family, good dinner, and put this on repeat. We'll be back doing this all over again. Hey, if you enjoy these clean with me from, the fellas, from a father and a son, y'all let me know. We'd love to do some more of these. We enjoy cleaning. As you can see, Aaron's a huge help. And so, yeah, we enjoy this. So this is day 2. As you can see, my shirt is changed because after we finished that living room and vacuumed, we really kind of called it quits. So you're going to see me in somewhat of the same outfits. The shirt will be the same in day 2, but the pants will be different depending on the evening or the morning of me actually cleaning the space. So this is our foyer space here, and it definitely needs to be redone. We've never really had a chance to do our foyer, so that's actually one of the projects that I'm going to be doing and hopefully sharing even on this page. If you'd love to see that, let me know in the comments. Also, give me some tips and ideas, as we are a household of men, 3 men and a dog who's a male as well. So 4 men in our home, and we try again to keep a clean home, keep a nice home. But for the most part, we haven't had a chance to really do some projects around the house. So at day 2, I decided to clean out the refrigerator again. With us traveling, with my son coming back home from school, there's just tons of stuff in this refrigerator that needs to be cleaned out. And so we did that. And I'm just kind of pulling everything out at the moment. If I'm honest, this refrigerator and how filthy it is pretty embarrassing, but it's worth cleaning, and I'm actually excited and happy that we got it cleaned. It's always worth it in the end. Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body. So yeah, just getting this refrigerator cleaned out. Hey, if you would love to see more of these clean with me's, and even if you'd love to be able to suggest a few options and some things we could do, we'd love to get some feedback and some ideas, as we really do want to provide more of these sort of videos and opportunities as a family for us to just kind of showcase men getting the job done. Look at this refrigerator. I mean, it is now clean. I don't know if you could see it fully beforehand, but I'm telling you, it looks so much better. Well, hey, I hope that you enjoyed that. Listen, it's our first time. There's some areas to grow. I'm looking forward to growing, and I'm looking forward to growing while you're watching. So come back, enjoy some more. I promise to do some more Clean With Me's. I also want to do some things with my sons, getting them involved in some conversations and even seeing a little bit of what they do around the house. But all things about our house, all things about faith, and all things about family, and even a little bit of feuding. All of that on this YouTube channel. And listen, I want you to be a part of it. So come back, watch again, more Clean With Me's to come. If you want to see other parts of the room, put that in the comments. If you want to see some things that we build and even construct around here, put that in the comments. We, again, are a father-son duo, and really, honestly, everything around this house, we've done it. We've decorated, we've cleaned, we've done it all on our own. And I'm telling you, it's gonna be something that you don't wanna miss. So come back and enjoy.